Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to copy stitch designs, okay, to Figma right here. Okay, so first up, what you'll do is just go ahead and open up both Stitch and Figma, okay? Log into your accounts, of course. And once done, under Figma, open up your pre-existing design or just go ahead and create a new one, okay? Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and open up a new tab, okay? Now look for Stitch to Figma converter. Okay, hit on enter, scroll down and look for the Stitch to Figma app right here or plugin from the Figma website. So just click on it. Now it will ask you to open in what project. Okay, click on open in, select the project like so, and it will just open up the project for you. Just wait for it. Okay, and now you'll have this screen or pop up. So what you're going to do is just click on run, wait for it to load, and it says here, upload or drop the zip file. So what zip file? So go back to Stitch right here and just download everything or a page. Okay, for a page, just hover over it, now click on more and just click on export. If you want everything right here from this project, so click on the navigation bar at the top left, click on a download project, okay? And there will be a download pop-up in a moment. Just wait for it and just save it, okay? I'm not going to do it again because I already have it right here. So I'm going to open up the project right here under Figma, click on browse. Now make sure that you match, okay, the target platform and the import source, okay? It should be an HTML code as well. So mobile, as this one is for mobile, and the zip file. So click to browse a zip file. I'm going to go ahead and select this as Stitch main calculator interface, hit on open, wait for it to process. And in here, you can go ahead and review, okay, review. And if you like what you see, you can just go ahead and add all or add selected, okay. Here we have the preview, the code right here, and the node tree. Now just click on add all. Now it says you're ready to add 4 screens, as I have 4 screens right here. And if you want to include preview images like PNGs next to each screen, okay, you can go ahead and do so. If not, just untick it, okay. Add it, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, now says here success, just click on OK, close this pop-up, and you can now go ahead and continue right here under your Figma account. Okay, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.